Now, why affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is a big freaking scam? It's like, I have a product, and you come and I'll tell you, hey, go run like a dog and go try to promote it for me and go sell it, and I'll give you like a cut, 40%. And I'm gonna sit on my ass doing nothing and have several people do that for me. Okay, that's what affiliate marketing is online. Whether it's online or offline, this is not a new concept. So people think, okay, I can do affiliate marketing online, and then you know what, I can make a lot of money. You are going to fall straight on your head, okay, if you are not really an expert promoter. So if you're not really a good marketer and understand how to make videos, not faceless videos, and connect with people directly, okay, because people buy from people. If you're not an expert in that, you're not gonna succeed in affiliate marketing or anything to that matter, right? Because if you wanna promote an affiliate product, you need to have that skill, right? So why doing all this work for others when you can actually do it for yourself? Now, what do I mean by that? Like, do it for yourself. Like, why not earning 100%? If you're gonna slave anyway, you need to know how to be on camera comfortably, really connect with people, and honestly, and deliver your value with honesty and integrity. That's what you need to learn. Okay. Now, there are a zillion of things you can sell online, but my highly number one recommended idea, or recommended, like what I do right now, if you want to check it out, go to Freedom Adam, okay? freedomadam.com, and watch my webinar before you think affiliate marketing is the deal to go, or drop shipping, or crypto, or whatever, business models. Okay, I'm gonna show you something in the next video. Okay, if you go to freedomadam.com, just opt in there and watch my it's a recorded webinar that I did just a month ago, fresh. They're gonna break down for you all the business models online and why I stay away from it. Because I want to have a digital coaching program that is already with the done for you community. Like, it earns me 100%, and all I have to focus on actually bringing people into it. That's it. Okay, so check it out. It pays you 100%, so you don't have to run like a dog for anybody else, and it's done for you. When you work with me, of course, I'll install the whole thing for you. Go to freedomadam.com and watch the webinar, okay, and just take it from there. If you have any questions, you can comment below, send me, DM me, okay, and then I will reply to you. If you want, we can jump on a Zoom call if you are serious, of course. Make sure to follow me, because I'm starting to post some videos like this. Follow me, and subscribe if you are on YouTube. Hit me up on Facebook, as a friend. If you have any questions, I always respond, zero charge, okay? So we'll see you in the next video.